a large carton of milk, an alarm clock on a shelf, a small pot of marmalade, a man with a cigar in his hand, an army marching into the city, a robin on the top of a white pillar, an artist sketching beside a pond, a scarlet scarf on a tall, thin student, a jar of mustard beside a sandwich, Martha and Barry at a garden party, a long white dress with a black collar, a small parcel with a red ribbon on it, a small child with a long white garment, a carrot and a parsnip on a large plate, a pupil sharpening his small pink pencil.